Don't you know who I am? Don't you know who I am? I am a bird singing in the skies. Do you know? I was one born in the sky. Without me, without myself, I am truly the worst dog I am ever seen. This just you and me. Come on, come on. I'm a bird. Have you never seen me? I'm so lost. I never ever go without someone. Just like a little dream. I am in here. It's just a little dream. I was flying in the sky. Never. I was never being in the sky. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Let's fly in the sky. Every time we came up, that was we're here to help you. Always a boring memories without someone who is the best. Here we are. Who am I? Have you seen me? It's too fine. You ever know? Oh, I never see you. Hi, I'm Asha, living in the ground. I was so lonely, never to be found. I don't know why I'm lost. Doesn't mean I am here. I don't see. This is how I feel. Walking to the ground, inside, looking for friends in the sky.
Nakailan mo sa cellphone ko?
Yeah,
Bakit?
I just want to make a video.
Dito ka lang ha?
Never seen.
Kasi magpapa-LBC ako kay Dada ng
I never go you.